Master Kelly, welcome to your virtual pad work lesson of the day. Now in today's lesson, we're going to work on flexibility. Okay, so today I'm going to hold a paddle. Now what I want you guys to do is that you're going to be throwing an axe kick whenever you see the paddle facing like this. So if you see the paddle looks like this, I want you guys to swing your leg up and axe kick straight down. Okay, when you see the paddle like that. Now when I do it like this, it means I want you guys to roundhouse kick. You can pick any leg you want. Now also, if you want a good practice with your spinning hook kick, I recommend mixing it up. So every once in a while, when you see this, if you're able to do it, throw a spinning hook kick instead. Okay, so remember, just to review, this is round kick, use the top part of your foot. Okay, this is spinning hook kick, use your heel. Okay, so if you want to practice the round kick, when it's like this, that's okay. If you want to practice the spinning hook kick, that's okay too. You guys ready? All right, let's get started. Hands up fighting stance. Awesome, ready, and axe kick. Nice, good job. Axe kick. Good, nice. Make sure you swing the leg up and down, okay, in a straight line. Ready? And axe kick. Good job. Axe kick. Good. Round kick. Good, nice. Now use either leg, okay? Ready, go. Round kick. Good, nice, good job. Round kick. Good job. Ready? Axe kick. Good. Axe kick. Good. Round kick. Good, now spinning hook kick. Nice, good job. Spinning hook kick. Good job. Try to keep up. Ready? Axe kick. Good. Axe kick. Good. Axe kick. Nice, good job. Round kick. Good job. Round kick. Good. Round kick. Good. Try to spin all the way when you round kick, okay? Make a full circle when you kick. And make sure you keep those hands up. Ready? Round kick. Awesome, good. Axe kick. Good, axe kick. Good, spinning hook kick. Good job, ready, spinning hook kick. Good, spinning hook kick. Awesome, good job, you guys, a couple more, axe kick. Good, axe kick. Good, axe kick. Good, axe kick. Awesome, very good work. Okay, now here's what we're gonna do now. This time, we're gonna work on getting our leg from low all the way to the very top. If you can go above your head and kick, that'd be awesome. And if not, don't worry. If you practice every day, if you practice your stretches at the end of class, and you continuously practice, eventually you'll kick above your head. You'll kick very high, okay? So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna hold the paddle right down here for now. Now here's what I want you guys to do. If it's on this side, I want you guys to use one of your legs. Use your right leg. If it's on this side. If it's on this side, make sure you use your left leg. Use the other leg, okay? So we're gonna do 5 kicks total. We're gonna go really slow. We're gonna start lowest to highest, okay? And hands up fighting stance. Awesome. Our axe kick down low. 1. Good. Nice. Ready? 2. Good. Nice. A little higher. 3. Good. Try to reach up higher. Ready? 4. Good. One more. 5. Good. Nice. Good job. Let's try the other leg now. Ready? And 1. Good. Ready? 2. Good job. Ready? 3. Good. 4. Good, try to kick above your head. 5. Nice, good job, awesome, you guys. All right, now we're gonna do the same thing with round kick, okay? I want you guys to start with your right leg first. We're gonna round kick this direction. Okay, round kicking with your right leg. Hands up here. Awesome, ready, and 1. Good. 2. Good. 3. Good. 4. Good, one more. 5. Nice, good job. All right, guys, try the other leg. Okay, do as best as you can. Ready? And 1. Good job. 2. Good work. 3. Good job. 4. Good, one more. 5. Awesome, very good job, you guys. High fives. Awesome. All right, Chariot. Good, Kenya.
Hey homeschool parents, are you looking for an activity to help your kids get more active, more resilient, more confident, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, founder and creator of Dojo Go, the complete online homeschool martial arts curriculum. If your kids have never done martial arts before, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 6-week Kids Transformation Martial Arts course. The purpose of this program is to give homeschool families just like you the life-changing benefits of martial arts all online for ages 4 to 12 years old. As a homeschooler myself, I had the opportunity to meet many other homeschoolers at Co-op, And I know for a fact that finding an activity like martial arts can be difficult either because A, there aren't any homeschool programs that offer it, B, the schedule doesn't work out, and C, it's really expensive. We created this program because for over 10 plus years, we've helped many children make complete life-changing transformations with our martial arts programs. And we want to extend that opportunity for you as homeschool parents now. But our videos aren't just some follow-along videos you can find on YouTube. These videos take your kids through a 6-week interactive martial arts story. Meet Dojo, the orange belt monkey whose very first white belt was stolen by the evil scientist Dr. Fist. Every week the kids will learn different self-defense techniques, martial arts terminology, and gain strength and flexibility with 30-minute videos 3 times per week. All for the purpose of defeating Dr. Fist's minions, and maybe even Dr. Fist himself. Included with the videos are worksheets, a fully printable calendar, a map for the kids to follow along their progress, and an opportunity to test for their very first white belt in uniform at the end of 6 weeks with me personally via video call. Excited to start? Click the link below to join our program now.